Hello guys, good morning from Toronto. This is Pramod. It is snowstorm here in Toronto. You can see completely how it is. It's heavy snowstorm here in Toronto, completely filled with snow everywhere. It's a big snowstorm here. I am just walking in the snow. Almost my complete shoes also have gone inside the snow. It is superb experience. Heavy snowstorm here in Toronto. Heavy snowstorm, like in India, what we call as our cyclones and all we see always. Cyclone means with heavy wind, we always have some rain there. Here it is heavy wind with complete snow. That is called snowstorm here. You can see here how it is everywhere. For walking also it is becoming very difficult. You can see how it is here. Everywhere, all the surroundings, everywhere you can see snow is falling like rain here. All it's fully filled with snow everywhere. All the cars, vehicles, roads. This is the road, and you just see I am also struggling to walk. How much depth snow is there, you all can see. Everywhere it is filled with snow. It's a fantastic experience. I was talking to some of the people here, and they said that this year snow is heavy in Toronto. Like last 2-3 years, I guess it's a little less. You all can see how it is. Vehicles are also struggling everywhere to move. It is completely filled with snow. It is called snowstorm. I guess some 25 to 30 centimeters of snow is there, it seems, here in Toronto. I just came out just to show all of you how the snowstorms are there here. You have a look at it. Beautiful experience. I just want to say that from my childhood, I was dreaming that I have to go to snow like this, stay here, walk like this, and do YouTube channel and do videos like this and show to entire world that how this snow is there, how it is. You just have a look at it. Completely, it's called snowstorm here. Wow experience actually. My dream was just to walk like this, move like this, and then show entire snow, so entire surroundings of Canada to all of you. This was my dream actually. Honestly speaking, it is so exciting for me, and I'm struggling to walk also, but this is a nice and superb experience. Buses are also going, and then all roads are also filled with snow. Cars are also going on the road. Even snow is getting removed consistently by I am actually little tired. Like completely they are trying to remove the snow from last one day, but still it is not getting removed because continuously it is falling. You see vehicles. I heard that these vehicles actually, when they go in snow, they have a different tires. Like for winter, they actually have some winter tires. So with that winter tires, they can move, it seems. Just see how it is. Heavy snowfall. Buses are also going. Even in the snow also buses are moving. You can see what a lovely experience. Actually today many offices, schools and all educational institutes and some of the offices, everything is closed actually because of this heavy snow. I think this is the petrol pump, Shell petrol pump. People are consistently removing the snow, but still it is complete snow. Just have a look at it. This is called wonderful experience. My dreams initially was to walk like this in the snow, in the snow filled roads. I wanted to walk, I wanted to do videos, I wanted to take photos and share it to entire world. That is what I was dreaming for. Today my dream has come true and I am showing to all of you. It's heavy snow here. Wonderful experience and fantastic experience here. You all can have a look at it. Superb experience. Buses are moving. Everything is going here. And wow experience. Storm means regularly this much snow will not be there. But why this much snow is there right now is that it is called some snow storm. It means once in a while it comes. Just see, I am just walking. How much snow it is. I'm just walking. This is the signal I am pressing. I want to cross the signal. I'm falling actually. What a lovely experience it is. People are walking, vehicles are moving. Nothing is stopped here. World is moving. Snow is falling, world is moving. That is how this fantastic experience to everyone. Come to Canada once and experience this. It's a lovely and wonderful experience to all of you. Thank you so much. I'll catch you up in some other videos. I'll keep showing everything to all of you. I'm actually going to one of the supermarket also today here, and I'll go and I'll come back again. Bus was there, so I just asked him to move. So he thanked me also. That's the respect which we get here. Just see how it is. A beautiful scenarios, beautiful climate, beautiful area. I'm just going to that supermarket backside. You can see that is called No Frills. I'm going there. I have to buy some vegetables there. That is why I'm going there. I'll show you how it is, what it is, and how it goes. Everything I'll show. Snow-filled Toronto. Yeah, just to see here, one vehicle is struck. It is trying to move, but it's not able to move. It is stuck in the snow. Heavy snow it is. All vehicles, everything is stuck. Backside, if you see, one snow removal vehicle is also there. And you can have a look at it. One vehicle, one car is trying to go, but it got stuck in the snow. It's not able to go. So the driver is come out and he's also trying to check how he can move it. Just see how it is. Heavy snow here. It's snowstorm. It's like cyclone in India. Just see. This vehicle got struck actually. The owner has gone down and he is trying to take someone's help. This is the scenario. This is the scenes here. There is one supermarket that is called No Frills. I'm going there and I will have to buy something and I'll come back again. Thank you.